Okay, I think I'm live. If somebody's on here and they see me live, see if I'm live, please say hello because my phone just did something weird. But anyways, hi, it's Rhonda. For you guys that don't know me, okay, I see some people jumping on. So thanks for jumping on. If you're joining me live, please say something so I can say hi. I'd love to say hi to you. If you're catching this later and you're on the replay, just comment #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Hi, Rob. How are you? So anyways, I was thinking about something today, and if you've seen any of my other lives, you know that I kind of like to do analogies, right? Hi, Amelia. Hey, Dawn, how are you? So I was thinking today, and are we an expert at everything? No, we're obviously not, right? So I have a couple of analogies for you, and it's so funny because I've been running into this lately, and I'm like, I don't understand, like, why do people think they're an expert at everything before they learn? Hey, Lisa. So when we first start driving, you're 16 here in the United States, you get your driver's license. Do you just take the keys, hop in the car and drive away? No, you have to learn how to drive that car, right? You're taught, your parents taught you, or maybe you got lessons from somebody and you learn how to drive that car. Hi, Trudy, thanks for joining. So you have to learn, it's a process that you're going through, how to drive, right? So since Dawn's on here, I'm going to use this analogy. So when I became a flight attendant, did I know how to evacuate an airplane? No, I had to go through 6 weeks of training. I had to learn all the safety things. You know, it's a training process. You have to learn all these things. You know, flight attendants aren't just there to give you a Coke, you know, and something to eat. You know, it's all about safety. You have to learn all these safety things. So it's the same thing when people come online and they decide that they're going to start to do business online. No matter what kind of business you have, it doesn't matter. You know, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're in an MLM, if you're in direct sales, I have a girlfriend who has a little boutique in Ellicottville, and she does a lot of online marketing for her boutique. Hey, Wilfred, thanks for joining. So do you just come online and start like marketing online like you know how to do it all already? No, it's a learning process, the same as everything else. So you have to learn how to market a business online. Like, what are you supposed to do? What are you not supposed to do? Just like driving a car, just like becoming a flight attendant, right? Everything is a learning process. You're not an expert in everything. You can't just jump into a car. You're going to crash. Well, if you come online and you just start like spamming your link or sending messages or whatever you think you're supposed to be doing, but you do it wrong, well, you're going to crash and burn also, right? You're not going to have the success you want to have. So, hey, Tracy, thanks for hopping on. So I've been lucky enough last August, I think it was end of July, beginning of August, you know, where I found a mentor for the online business who's a 7-figure earner. And I started taking her training. I started applying it. Those of you who've been following me, you can see like the changes in my pages, stuff like that. I'm earning more money than I've ever earned before. But here's the thing that I'm finding, and it's kind of funny to me. So people will come into this training also, but they're like, oh, I've been online. I know what I'm doing. I don't need to watch that training. I'm just going to keep doing whatever I want to be doing. Okay, well, if you haven't had success before doing what you were doing, why do you think you're going to have success now? Like, that's the whole point you got into the program, is to learn and apply, right? So you have to learn these things, and you have to follow these trainings. Whether you're driving a car, you have to follow the instructions. When I learned how to drive a stick shift, I'm going to age myself here, but I did drive a stick shift back in the day. So I couldn't just get in there. I didn't know what to do. I had to learn how to use the clutch, how to use the gas, right? How to stick shift there. You know, it's a learning process, and you have to learn from the beginning, and you have to take the proper steps, or you're just going to stall. You're just going to stall out. You're not going to have any success driving that car. It's the same thing in a business. If you skip these little steps that are crucial to having an online business, your business is going to stall. You're not going to have that success that you want to have online. So I just thought maybe if I gave a couple little analogies about that, that maybe people would understand the process a little bit more and, follow the steps the right way. This way you have the most success that you can possibly have, right? And so I am a success coach in this program now, and we want everybody to be successful. Like, I want you to be successful. There's a plenty in this world for everybody to be successful and earn money. A lot of people are coming online now to earn extra money, right? Because of everything that's going on in the world. So, there's that. But, we always want to help you be successful, and by taking the right steps and showing you the right things to do. Like, we've been so blessed to have a mentor who's a 7-figure earner, like, break these things down into simple steps so that you can gradually take these little steps and work your way up and do things properly online. So you're setting yourself up for success, and you can have more success in the future. But anyways, I hope these little analogies helped you understand that. If you're somebody who is online and maybe you haven't been having success, or you just don't know how to break through, that was me until I found this program. I'd be happy to share it with you. Let me know. I'm happy to share it. We do have a live webinar tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The link for it is up in my story. You can jump on. It's really good. She goes over some really interesting things, and you'll hear from other members and the successes that they're having. If you need the link, just send me a message. I'd be happy to get it to you also. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a fantastic Wednesday. I hope these little analogies helped you understand things a little bit better, break things down. And if I can be of any help at all, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. Okay, everybody have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon.